All right, hey everybody, I want to share this. This is a sample that I got at the Canton Fair. This is why we come to the Canton Fair, and what this is, it goes on the back of the car seat, and essentially it's an organizer, a car seat organizer, right? So your tissue box is there, you have a roll thing there. I'm not too sure what that's for. Drink cup holder, pockets here. You can sort of see there's pockets there to be had, right? Then this folds down as a tray table, essentially, right? So you've got a tray table there for the kids. They can draw, they can put their iPad. You've got space here, and this loops essentially on the back of the car seat, right? So you put this in the back of the car seat, which is yeah, it's quite phenomenal actually. It's quite nice, and yeah. So this is one of the samples I've got. I've got a few samples at the Canton Fair, which is good, and that's kind of why you go essentially to the Canton Fair, is to get samples, is to pick it up. And this is how you speed things up, right? You pick up the sample, you look at it, great, yeah, love the quality, great strap, good quality leather, and you basically place an order and you list it on Amazon. And yeah, this is essentially the hotel. This is what I don't know whether you can sort of see, it probably doesn't do it justice, but the pool's right out there. You know, we've been here now for 5 days, and it's just been it's been insane. So many products. We've got one client that's we're launching about 30 products for when we get back to Sydney, which is good. And yeah, a lot of fun and a lot of samples to be had. If you love Christmas shopping, you're going to get a lot of Christmas shopping done here in China. But it is all about products at the end of the day. That's kind of why you're here. You have a lot of fun, you get a lot of samples, but you are working as well. And I think Monday night we went out. What do we do Monday night? What do we do? Do you remember? Or was it Monday night? We did something on Monday night. Oh, Tuesday night we went out to a networking party. Wednesday night we did dim sum night. Every night there was something happening, you know. One night we went out for a big buffet. We went on a Pearl River cruise as well. So yeah, a lot of fun. Anyway, just wanted to share that with you. Have a great time. Talk soon.
In the next 45 seconds, I'm going to walk you through how to get something started on Amazon. I'm going to guide you step by step what you need to do if you are wanting to sell on Amazon and you're based in Australia or New Zealand. Now, number one is find small, lightweight, simple products like these, all right? A lot of those products are out there. They exist. They're very small. They're simple. There's no batteries. They're lightweight. Doesn't cost a lot of money to ship, and very easy to maneuver, all right? You want to find these products. The second step is to find a good supplier. You can find these products on quite easily from overseas suppliers very cheaply. And the next step is to ship it to Amazon warehouses. There's warehouses based all around Australia. In fact, they're building another one here in Sydney where I'm based. They're actually all around the world, and a lot of them are based in America. Guys, if you are looking to get something started on Amazon and you're a beginner and you've never done this before, I put together an exclusive training. So this training, around this video, there's a link. Give that link a click. We actually walk you through 10 products that are selling really well right now. These 10 products, I will walk you through what to look for, the next steps that you need to take, and I'm going to assume that you are a beginner, that you've never done any of this sort of stuff before. I'm going to assume all of that, and I'm going to walk you through what you need to do next if you are looking to get something started on Amazon, okay? So guys, around this video there's a link. Give that link a click. I would love to work with you. If you're looking for help, in fact, launching your first product on Amazon, I can even help you list and launch your first product on Amazon Australia, or even Amazon USA, all right? So guys, I've been doing this now for over 10 years, helping people find products and launch them on sites like Amazon, all right? We've worked with a lot of students, different levels of experience. Some people are 19 years old, some people are even 80 years old. We've helped people even 80 years old launch their product on sites like Amazon. So it doesn't matter about your experience, it doesn't matter whether you've done this before, it doesn't even matter whether or not you've even sold anything before online. Anyone can do this. Around this video there's a link. Give that link a click. I would love to see you on this training. Have a great day. Talk to you real soon. Bye bye for now. See you later.